Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to use sound on Likee app. Right, so it's very easy. So if you spot a sound on a video and you want to make use of that sound, it's very easy. Right, so let's see how to make use of sound on a video. Right, for example, if you want to make use of the sound on this video, what we have to do is to look at the bottom right corner of this video. You're going to see this sound icon right there. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, here you're going to see all the videos that have used this sound on Likee. Right, so if you want to make use of this sound yourself, if you look at the bottom area of your screen, you're going to see apply music. Click on that option, and then you can now start recording your own video alongside with the sound, or you can upload from your device. You can see the upload option right there at the bottom right corner. All right, so once you click on that, you will choose the video from your device, and then it will play alongside with the sound. Right, or you can record like I said earlier. So once you're done recording, you can just post these on Likee. So it's that easy guys. So that's how you can actually do it. Hope you now know how to use sound on Likee app. If you guys give this video a like and you want to subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.